So lesson 11 gets into responsive web design. And so you already are familiar with Flexbox, and now you're going to be learning what's called grid view. And honestly, grid view is the one that I use. And once you are used to using grid view, I think you will like it. We'll also learn about different ways to make your graphics responsive, your videos responsive, and text responsive. Okay, so this little table shows you how to make text responsive. Then we get into grid view designs and how to build a responsive grid view, how to do media queries. And I will tell you that I do use media queries. I use grid view, and if there is an issue with how something looks on, let's say, a phone, I do use media queries to deal with those types of issues, because you can actually specify the screen size and then have it execute a little different code. So as you read through this, we are going to be designing responsive pages from now on. So kind of absorb everything that you read. We're also going to be creating some printer-friendly pages. So you're going to learn how to do that as well. And then finally, we get into a little bit of SEO, search engine optimization. So, you know, different things that you can do to have your pages appear at the top when people do searching. Textbook assignment is going to give you practice on everything that you read about in the book and in the lecture demo. And so we're going to start by taking a regular site and converting it into a responsive site. So you're going to be converting the Acme vertical site into a responsive site. And then you're going to download Zen, and you're going to add the responsive CSS to that site as well. And then you're also going to make Zen a printer-friendly site. So we have code for that. And this is all done through CSS. And then finally, you're going to insert SEO attributes into Zen. So when you're done, you'll have two things that you need to link into your assignment page. You will link the main page in the Acme vertical and the main page in the Zen. I don't need all of the pages, you just basically need to link one of them in, because then I can access all of them. Then for your lab assignment, you are going to create your own responsive page. And if you want to use this as a basis for your final project, you can. You can double dip this. So I would spend quite a bit of time on this. I have two different examples that you can look at. Okay, both are examples of a responsive page. Okay, so in order for you to see what it looks like if it's responsive, usually I just make it smaller and bigger, and then you can kind of see what it's going to do on a mobile device. Okay, and the photo gallery is also responsive. You can see I've got some special effects that I applied here. And you can actually do it on anything you want. So those are just two examples. Minimum requirements, this is what I'm looking for, what you will get points for. Here's the minimum requirements for the screen CSS and the print CSS. And then, of course, you need to link everything into your assignment page. So for Acme Vertical, this is what you need to link. And for Zen, this is what you need to link. And then your responsive page needs to be linked in. Okay, so that is the assignment. And because you guys come up with all sorts of fun things, you are going to be sharing your pages with each other. So you're going to post a link to your page, and then you're going to indicate who the audience is, what the purpose is, and how you decided on the design and layout. And then you're going to look at each other's postings and reply to one of them. And I like replies to be positive, so you're going to basically say, you know, what it is that you liked about their page. So that is what we're doing this week. If you run into problems or if you have questions, let me know. It is helpful if you have a problem, if you transfer your page to the web, because then I can go look at it and it's easier for me to help you.